Hey, welcome to M Puzzles and Builds. In this video, we're going to be doing this jungle puzzle. It's a 500 piece jigsaw puzzle by Corner Piece Puzzles, and as well as the last video, this one is also from the works. I don't know if it's available from any other retailers, but that's what it says on the box at the moment. If there is any more, I'll include them in the bio. But this one looks like quite a nice detailed junglescape with so many different animals of different kinds. Lions, elephant, bison. Is it bison? Yeah. Zebras. Bit of everything. I think for this being a 500 piece, it's probably going to be pretty easy because all of the different details, there's not a lot of repetition in it. So I think putting this together shouldn't be too bad. I think if this was maybe like a 1,500 or 2,000 piece, then yeah, there would be quite a lot more complications in it. But yeah, that's my thoughts on it. Let's find out. Let's get started. I feel like I might have underestimated this a bit. Although, I have managed to get the border done. Almost all the flamingo bits are here. The general pond bits and greenery at this bit. Lines here, butterflies, zebras, leopard, and rainbowy things over this side. And this is everything else. But that's taken me over an hour, which generally isn't that bad. But I do feel like this is going to be more difficult than I first thought it was. There is only one way to find out though, so let's keep going and see how it goes. Hey yo, it's another update time, but this one is just to say, it looks like this one's another one that I'm going to manage in one sitting. The reason I'm stopping to do an update here is I felt with the last one, it was just start, update as the border was done, and then finished. So I feel like at least this gives a little bit of a pause to reflect and see how well this is coming together before the last, hopefully, really easy stretch. Let's continue. We've done it. I was right. One sitting. And this is slightly wrong. I did press the button, but the timer didn't continue for the very last part there. And it's still under 3 hours with the added time. By seconds. I managed it in 2 hours, 59 minutes, and I think 26 seconds, or something along those lines. The correct one will come on the screen just now. But man, it's so good. I really like it as well. A lot of little details, so many butterflies. These kind of jigsaws always seem to like to scatter butterflies about. All the different birds, all the different mammals. Such a nice jigsaw. What did you think of it? Now we've just had another 3 500-piece jigsaws in a row, so the next one is going to be a 2,000-piece jigsaw. Tune in next one to find out what it is. See you there.